How to make or how to set up a circle webcam on OBS. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make or set up a circle webcam on OBS. Now first thing, you'll have to create the circle file here. So you just want to head into over your browser, and then you can head into Canva. So you want to head into Canva. You can just type in canva.com and you want to open it up. I'll just cross this ad here. You want to click on create a design, and now you want to select this presentation 16:9 option here. Once you click on it, now it'll be white, so you want to change the color to black. So once it's black, now what you want to do is you want to head into elements option, and under shapes you want to select the circle. Now you can actually add any of these shapes and set it as a webcam here, but since you want circle, you want to select circle and you want to add it up here. Now remember to change it to white, so you want to make sure you select it and then click on this color option here and set it to white, and then you just want to increase the size a bit. Maybe I'll set it to this much, and then you want to make sure it's in the middle. So once you do so, you can name it here. I'll just name it circle for Canva. And once you have done so, you can go ahead and you can download it right here. So now you can see I've downloaded it. It's downloading. Now once you have done so, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your OBS, and here you should find the scene option at the bottom. As you can see here, scenes here. Then you want to click on the plus. You want to create a new scene, so I'll just name this scene circle web. So you want to click on OK, and once you have done so, you want to add new source for your camera. So you want to click on plus. So once you click on the plus sign below the sources, you want to select the video capture device. Make sure that your webcam or your any video capturing device that you're going to use is turned on. So once you select it, you can, if you have already an existing, you can click on add existing, or if not, you can select create new and then click on OK here, and then you want to select the device that's available. For now, I don't have any webcam setup, so I'll just be using this image right here. So now once you have done so, once you have added your webcam, now I've just added screenshot, but you'll have to add in your video capturing device here and through the sources. Then once you do so, you want to head over to this scenes option. You want to make sure the circle wave that you added is highlighted. Then you want to right click on it, and then you want to select the filters option. Once you select the filters option, at the bottom here you should be able to see this plus icon right there. You want to click on it, and then you want to select the option that says image mask or blend. It'll ask you to specify to name the filter, but I'll just keep it this way, image mask or blend. Then you're going to click on OK, and now you can see it'll give you an option to browse through for the pathway. So you want to simply click on browse option, and then you want to select the particular picture that you have downloaded from Canva. So you want to select it, and then you want to click on open, and you want to open it. And now as you can see here, the webcam is in circle here. You can see the screenshot behind it, it's showing up there, and rest it has been hidden, and only the circle is here. So once you do so here, once it's added, now you can select the opacity. As you can see here, it'll turn blank, and if I increase it, then it'll show up the background here. Now the camera will be similar here, so it'll be shown in the circle. Your camera will be shown in the circle, your webcam, and the rest will be black. So you can select it, and then you can click on close, and now as you can see, it's done. Now you can see here your webcam will be in circle, and you can go ahead and now start streaming, start recording and such. So this way you can set up the circle webcam on OBS. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.